Hi, everybody. My name is Juliana. I currently live in South Jersey. I graduated from Rowan University in 2017 and received my bachelor's degree in psychology. I currently work for a partial care program. Pretty much, I work with adults who are suffering from mental illness. My role there is to run therapeutic groups. I run about 7 to 10 groups a day, and pretty much we're there to help them remain in recovery and stay hospital free. I'm starting my new role as a case manager in February, which I'm very excited about. I have a 2.5-year-old daughter who keeps you on my feet all day long. I'm very excited to start my MSW at Widener. I'm very happy that I found a program that offers flexibility to people like me. I work full time. I'm a full time mom, and now that I'm going to school, I think Widener was a great choice for me. I'm also very excited because their curriculum is trauma-based, and working with adults with mental illness, I'm learning that a lot of their illnesses is stemming from trauma that they have faced in their past. So I'm very excited to start, and I can't wait to meet everyone. Thank you.